Okay, so today we'll cover analysis in simulation in Solidworks. Okay, so first we create one sketch here. Create one sketch here. Suppose this is the one circle, and now this one is another circle. Now create this one another circle. Here create another circle. Then create here one line here to here. Okay, and then offset entity, suppose select this one. So now give bidirectional, so now this one too is offset, and then write it. Then trim entity, suppose power trim, suppose this is the power trim and this one also power trim. Okay, this is the power trim and this one also power trim. Select this one, select this one, select this one, and select this one. So now this one is total one object, and delete this line also. Okay, delete this line also. So that is the one object we can create here. Then exit workbench or give dimension here. Suppose that is the dimension 45. You can give here suppose 50. So now this is the one that is the 34 here. Suppose give here 30 this one, and now suppose or give here 35 this one also. Just double click and change, suppose this one is 35. Okay, next this dimension give here smart dimension. Suppose this one is 73. Suppose that is the 70 is the diameter. So suppose give here 70. So now this one is 70, and now that is the 47. Suppose give here 40. So now this one is 40. Okay, then create this dimension. Okay, suppose this one is 113. Suppose give 110. So now this one is 110. Then exit. Okay, after that just select this sketch and then go to the features. Here extrude boss. Okay, so now this one is extrude boss. This is the 10 millimeter. So suppose choose here, this one is 10 millimeter. Give here suppose 20. So now this one is 20, and then write it. Okay, so that is one features created here. Now there have no simulation added here. Okay, so suppose create here in the settings add-ins. Okay, add-ins, and then on here simulation. Okay, on here SolidWorks simulation, and then okay. So now simulation coming here. Okay, so that is the simulation. Before that there are material is not specified now. Okay, so right click here and go to the edit material. After edit material we can choose here suppose iron. Suppose this one is ductile iron, and apply. So now this one is material, apply here. This is the ductile iron material, apply here. Or you can choose any type of material, all material are given here. Okay, aluminum alloy. Or you can choose suppose custom material. Suppose give here plastic custom material, so you can put the dimension as per your requirement here. Okay, so that is a new material you can add it here. Okay, so by ductile iron, click here ductile iron and apply. So now this one is ductile iron, apply, and this one is close. Next after that simulation, their all tool are de-highlighted. Okay, so first choose here new study, and then this one is static, and write. So now this one is click here, and after that we can select here fixture, here fix geometry. Okay, there have a fixture, external load, mesh, and result option. So first fix geometry, right click here, fix geometry, and suppose select here this inner portion, inner surface, select here and then write. So now this one is created here. After that, external load here, right click, suppose this one is give here force. Okay, suppose force, suppose select this surface. Okay, so inner surface is created here, inner surface is created here, selected here, and now this one is 1, give here suppose 10 newton, so now this one is 10 newton. If select direction is choose here and choose suppose this direction. Okay, so that is the inner. If you reverse direction, so now this is the reverse direction option. Okay, and then here right, so now this one is reverse direction. So that is the external load created here. After that, mesh here, just right click here, mesh and run. So choose here mesh and run. So now this one is process. Okay, so now this one is fixed and this one is pull up. Okay, so here simulation is done, stress, displacement and strain. Okay, all are given result here. So maximum displacement occur in this red zone, that is the maximum, and this blue zone is minimum. Gradually increase and change the color as well as. Okay, so now this one is stress. So suppose choose here, so that is the stress value you can measure from here. Okay, so that is the maximum stress zone, this red color. And if you strain, so that is the maximum strain zone. Okay, so if you click here, suppose report, here report, and then choose here suppose A4 page or anything. So that is the report. You need to be Word, Microsoft Word pre-installed in your computer. Okay, otherwise report cannot generate. Okay, so report and then here publish. So now report will be written here as per our requirement in Word file. Okay, so now this is the report generated here. Okay, so that is the model information, all report, which material was selected, so that is ductile iron property, all are given here. Okay, all are given here. So you can save and you uh, send to the client. Okay, so that is the report generate here. Okay, okay.